Are you looking for a best channel dashcam? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the 4 best channel dashcam to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vantrue N4S 3-channel dashcam. Starvis 2 night vision front-rear inside dashcam for cars. Front and rear dual channel. Plate pix tech. Parking mode, Wi-Fi. GPS, 2-inch IPS. Support 1 terabyte. Brand, Vantrue. Model name, N4S. Vehicle service type, car, minivan, RV, truck. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Special feature, 360-degree, app control, built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, voice control. Video capture resolution, 1944p plus 1440p plus 1440p/30 fps, 1944p. Field of view, 360 degrees. 2026 new 3-channel dashcam and 360-degree coverage. Equipped with 3 Starvis 2 powered sensors, the Vantrue N4S dashcam records in Super HD clarity, 2.7K front plus 1440p interior plus 1440p rear. Its 158-degree front, 165-degree cabin, and 160-degree rear wide-angle lenses eliminate blind spots, while HDR and plate pix technology delivers sharp details and license plates, day or night. This dashcam for cars is perfect for rideshare drivers and daily commuters. Night Vision 4.0 and high temperature proof. Powered by Starvis 2 tech, the N4S dashcam for cars enhances light sensitivity and dynamic range in extreme low light. Triple HDR balances harsh contrasts like headlights against dark roads, while plate pix sharpens license plates by 2x, capturing crisp, identifiable footage on dark streets, in tunnels, or garages. This new N4S dashcam's supercapacitor design withstands extreme temperatures, from -4 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit, ensuring stable operation, safer and greener. Easy to install and 360-degree versatile rear camera. Set up effortlessly with our magnetic GPS mount, static cling film, and cable clips. Everything is tool-free for a clean, wire-hidden installation, and the mount stays stable on any drive. The rear camera rotates 360 degrees, letting you monitor rear traffic or pivot it inward to keep an eye on cargo, luggage, or pets inside the vehicle. Installation reminder: follow manual to connect rear camera wiring. Improper or loose connection may cause malfunction. Number 2. Rove R2 4K dual dashcam front and rear. Starvis 2 sensor, free 128GB card included, 5G Wi-Fi, up to 20 megabytes per second fastest download speed with app, 4K 2160p/FHD dashcam for cars, 3-inch IPS, 24-hour parking mode. Brand, Rove. Model name, R2 4K dual. Vehicle service type, bus, car, minivan, SUV, truck. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Mounting type, windshield mount. Color, black. Field of view, 150 degrees. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. Rove R2 4K dual dashcam offers dual-channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera records at 3840 by 2160p at 30 frames per second, while the rear camera captures 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second footage, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. With a 150-degree ultra-wide angle for the front camera and 140-degree angle for the rear camera, you'll capture more of the road with this 4K dashcam. Sony Starvis 2 sensor/Super Night Vision. Equipped with a Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 image sensor for the front camera, this dashcam delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the front camera's f1.5 aperture and the rear camera's f1.8 aperture allow more light to enter the lens, resulting in brighter and clearer recordings, particularly in low-light environments. Ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, up to 20 megabytes per second download speed. With its built-in dual-band 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove Dashcam app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iPhone and Android smartphone. By using the Rove app, download your recorded videos directly to your smartphone at a speed of up to 20 megabytes per second, and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Additionally, manage camera settings and update the latest firmware over the air via the Rove app. Number 3. Vantrue N2X 2.7K dashcam front and inside. 5G Wi-Fi dual dash camera for car with HDR IR night vision. Starvis 2. GPS 2.5K/60 FPS, G-sensor, 24/7 parking mode, voice control, support 512 GB max. Brand, Vantrue. Model name, N2X dashcam. Vehicle service type, car, minivan, pickup, SUV, truck. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Included components, car charger, charging cable, magnetic mount, N2X front and inside dashcam, user manual. Mounting type, windshield mount. Color, black/gray. Field of view, 158 degrees. Front and inside dual recording. The dual dashcam delivers high-resolution video with 1944p plus 1080p/30 fps, ensuring every detail is captured. Its wide-angle lenses offer a 158-degree view for the front and a 165-degree view for the interior, providing maximum security by covering all angles. The front camera also supports 1440p at 60 fps for enhanced detail and clarity. For privacy, you can disable the interior camera and audio. Ideal for rideshare, Lyft, taxi, and delivery drivers, and family trips. Dual HDR and IR night vision. This 2-channel dashcam is equipped with the latest Starvis 2 technology, offering outstanding video quality even in low-light conditions. Dual HDR technology intelligently balances light levels to deliver detailed footage. The cabin camera features 4 IR LED lights, enabling it to capture clear images in complete darkness. Its 45-degree rotatable lens provides flexible angle adjustments for optimal interior recording, perfect for late-night drivers. Faster 5G Wi-Fi and GPS tracking. The integrated 5G Wi-Fi allows seamless instant previewing, editing, and downloading of videos directly through the free Vantrue map, enhancing convenience while driving. The integrated GPS logger captures time, date, location, and speed, allowing you to track mileage, customize statistical periods, and generate detailed driving reports. This precise GPS data is invaluable for accident investigations or scenic road trips.
Number 4. Rove R3 Dashcam, front and rear with cabin, 3-inch IPS touchscreen, 3-channel dashcam, 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p. IR night vision, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, up to 30 megabytes per second download speed. Quad mode GPS, supports 512 GB max. Brand, Rove. Model name, R3. Vehicle service type, bus, car, minivan, SUV, truck. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Special feature, 3-channel recording, 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps, built-in supercapacitor, built-in Wi-Fi, touchscreen, voice guidance, built-in quad mode GPS, 3-channel recording, 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps, built-in supercapacitor, built-in Wi-Fi, touchscreen, voice guidance, built-in quad mode GPS. Video capture resolution, 1080p, 1440p. Color, black. Field of view, 150 degrees. Experience the difference with Rove. Rove R3 is a 3-channel touchscreen dash camera for cars. This is all you need for any dashcam need and enthusiast. It has all the bells and whistles with an industry-changing design that features a 3-inch IPS touchscreen with just a single power button, and the rest is done magically by Rove's custom-designed firmware of this dash camera. Memory card is not included. Supports up to 512 GB branded Class 10 U3 microSD cards. Rove microSD cards are recommended. Beautifully designed, user-friendly, and powerful. Developed over 18 months, the Rove R3 combines an intuitive 3-inch IPS touchscreen, a streamlined single-button design, and Rove's custom firmware for effortless operation. Record the front, cabin, and rear simultaneously in 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p. Easy to use right out of the box.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.